To show fingerprint scanner when you tap the screen when it's off on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security settings section, tap biometrics. Tap fingerprints. Enter your current screen lock. Since this phone is using button, then draw the button. With the fingerprint always on option is on, to show the fingerprint scanner when you tap the screen when it's off, tap show icon when the screen is off, and then select tap to show. To see how it works, turn off the screen. Single tap the screen to show the fingerprint scanner. Given to the function, this will help you to know where the scanner at, so you can easily unlock your phone with your fingerprint. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.